Hey everyone, let's take a quick look at the steps to disable and then re-enable a page. First, you want to go to the blue arrow that is located just to the left of the page title. Once you click on it, you'll go to this page and simply select Disable. Two things have happened now. You'll notice that the page is removed from the section menu, but also you'll notice on the toolbar that now there's red text saying Disabled Page. How do you re-enable a page? Well, for this, you'll also go over to the blue arrow. You'll go to this page and select Enable. It's important to note, though, that if you want to re-enable a page, but you're not on the exact page, the steps are going to be a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and disable the page once more, and I'll show you this. So let's say that instead of going in and being on the page we disabled, we're on the home page for Sciences. To go in and to re-enable this page, I still go over to the blue arrow. What I'll then do is I'll go to this section and I select Disabled Pages. What happens from here is I click View. The next steps will be pretty much the same as they were before. We're going over to the blue arrow, we go to this page, and we would go in and select Enable.